I felt very welcomed as soon as I stepped foot into the building. I felt part of a very tightly knit community.
Halcyon School is like a unique place. Everybody's different here. Just be yourself. People here just accept you for who you are and who you want to be.
Because it's quite a small school, it's easier to ask questions and get more help from teachers, and it feels a lot more personal.
It's also very engaging and it crosses over into the other subjects. So you're really learning a whole area and you understand the different paths between different subjects.
It's less about just like drilling the knowledge in your head, but more about helping each student in their own way.
I'm definitely feeling more confident about myself in general, as well as English, because when I joined Halcyon, I couldn't speak English at all.
You have more of a chance to focus in on things that you feel more passionate about and interested in.
We're not really pushed to go in certain directions. It's really useful to figure out on your own what you want to do, and you still have support from teachers.
I love that they really care about my well-being because it's a really big part of our learning.
There's a strong sense of community that builds not just within your own class, but also with other grade groups.
There's a really large network of friends that wouldn't have been usually able to have in like ethnic communities that I never met before.
If I had to describe Halcyon in 3 words, it would have to be open, enjoyable, and valuable.
Energizing, motivating, and active.
Nurturing, open-minded, and liberating.
Comforting, interesting, and international.